A long time ago, in Mathura, there was a king named Kansa, who was very infamous for his grapes. After the marriage of his sister, Devki, a prophetic voice announced, "The tyranny is going to come to an end. The 8th son of Devki and Vasudev will kill you. I will not allow your children to stay alive." Soon Devki's first child was born. "Soldiers, kill their child." No, please dear brother, leave my child.
Guys, don't forget that he's your nephew.
Soldiers, kill their child. Guns went on killing 6 children of Devki. When the 8th child was born, a prophetic voice would take this child across Yamuna and exchange him with your friend, Nan's daughter. Devki and Vasudev were delighted.
Devki, he isn't an ordinary child. He is a gift of Lord. See my hands, they are unchained, and the gates are opening on their own.
Vasudev took a basket and placed the child in it.
Oh, at least my son will be safe. Take him to Yashoda's house.
The gods were asleep. As Vasudev moved into Yamuna, the water never rose above his head, and a 10-headed snake appeared to protect the child.
Oh my divine child, I wish that you grow up fast and soon come to live your parents.
When he reached Nan's house, he interchanged the children and returned to the prison. Kill the child! Soon Lordess Durga arose and said,
Your 8th nephew has already been born. He shall end your reign and will fulfill his prophecy.
in Gokul,
Yashoda, you have given birth to such a beautiful child.
seems to be the gift of God. Nanda and Yashoda raised the child and named him Krishna. And Krishna went on to kill Kansa. And so we celebrate the birth of Krishna as Janmashtami. Happy Janmashtami to all. Stay home, stay safe.